Today's shorts, all Gujarati learners and beginners, we are going to start speaking with simple sentences. But friends, આપણો goal perfectionનો નથી. Even you are not perfect in English, you are not perfect in pronunciation, you might feel scared. Despite that, just start speaking with me. Because our goal is not to be a perfect. The goal or aim is to be start speaking with comfort. So now, take a deep breath and start speaking together. First, listen actively and immediately repeat after me. So, ready, friends? Hello, how are you? Tomorrow turn. I'm good today. Tomorrow turn. Today, I decided to practice English. Tomorrow turn. That's why today I do practice. Tomorrow turn. I feel a little nervous today. Tomorrow turn. But I want to improve my spoken English. Tomorrow turn. I know, friends, I will improve slowly. Tomorrow turn. I don't need perfect English. Tomorrow turn. I just need practice. Tomorrow turn. Very good. Perfect. See friends, તમે already English speaking કરી રહ્યા છો. So these are all sentences. Immediately repeat after me. You will start speaking English well day by day. So now friends, if you like this simple sentence practice with me, then save these shorts. અને જે પણ ઇંગ્લિશ શીખવા માંગતા હોય એને share it.